Okay, let's talk about StaySafu. You can say it's a meme token, but it's actually a utility token around the platform StaySafu.org. It's actually a cool platform. We'll talk about it, we'll test it out within the video. But if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you already know what you can do. You can like the video for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new. And also sponsored by Prime XBT. So if you want to claim a 50% bonus on your deposit, check the link in the description down below. They have a co-vesting feature where if you just deposit 1 Ethereum, you get 50% more than you actually deposit. I'll show you how it works in 1 second. So you deposit 1 Ethereum, you get 1.5. You can obviously you can withdraw the deposit because there are people who just can scam them, but you can go on co-vesting. This guy has been making like 30% per day for a while. He's up 32,000%. You can see how much money he's holding. He has 50 grand. He has over 1.2 mil allocated capital, and you can just copy his trades, especially in the weird markets that we live in. So StaySafu, how does it work? The idea is, first, you can't really buy it right now. Private token sale pre-sale is soon, but there's, and I really actually like that because they didn't sell you a token with an unfinished product. No, they're actually finishing their product, and the product is actually finished, and now they're thinking about releasing a token, which is great. All you gotta do is copy the contract address of some token, or type in zoo token, because I've spent like $11,000 on it, as you can see here. Bought a bunch, and it says everything. The smart contract does not have a property code owner. This does not mean that the address cannot be favored in some way by the smart contract, but it's more unlikely. So ownership is none. I don't know what that means. Liquidity analysis. I don't know why it's not loading right now, but I tried it. Okay, so now it's refreshing. So it's locked. Holders are loading. Contract code is verified. BC scan is incomplete. So basically, any token that you want, I would suggest you go to their website and check it out. I think they'll have more information here. And if they kind of are a standard, just like 30Ks, but for free, basically, if they just claim everything, they can just go here and claim the project. The scam address is a BSC address to which you can send tokens you hold that have turned out to be scams. This address. We generate a score called analysis. A mint function has been updated in the Spark contract. We detected that 0. So yeah, 0%. There's no issues with it being a scam. There's an overall score here. It will take a little bit of time to load up. I'll actually bookmark them right now, and I suggest you do that as well. If you're serious about trading, bookmark the website as fast as you can. So yeah, if the video helped you out, like, share, subscribe. I want to see you next one. Bye.